Imagine earning $900 every single day. That's over $27,000 a month. It might sound impossible, but it's not. Thousands of people are achieving this and more, using a simple, yet powerful tool, Google. This isn't about get-rich-quick schemes. This is about harnessing the power of Google's massive user base and their insatiable thirst for information. We're talking about building a real, sustainable income stream. I've seen firsthand how this method can transform lives. People just like you from all walks of life are achieving financial freedom by tapping into this hidden goldmine. Are you ready to unlock your earning potential? Let's dive in and explore this incredible opportunity together. Google processes billions of searches every day. Each query represents a unique need, a question waiting to be answered. People are constantly searching for answers, solutions, and entertainment. They seek knowledge, inspiration, and sometimes just a moment of distraction. This constant stream of inquiries creates a massive opportunity for those who know how to tap into it. By understanding what people are looking for, you can position yourself to provide exactly what they need. Here's the secret. By creating high-quality content that answers these searches, you can attract a large audience and monetize their attention. This content can take many forms, from blog posts and videos to podcasts and social media updates. Whether it's through advertising, affiliate marketing, or selling your own products or services, the potential for earning is limitless. The key is to provide value and build trust with your audience. The beauty of this method lies in its simplicity. You don't need a complex strategy or a huge budget to get started. You don't need to be a tech wizard or a marketing guru. With the right approach, anyone can succeed. All you need is a willingness to learn, a knack for creating valuable content, and the persistence to see it through. Start small, experiment, and refine your approach as you go. So how do you unlock this potential? It begins with understanding your audience and their needs. Let's break it down step by step. We'll guide you through the process of identifying opportunities, creating compelling content, and effectively reaching your target audience. Step 1. Identify profitable niches. Start by brainstorming topics that people are actively searching for and willing to spend money on. This initial step is crucial because it sets the foundation for your entire strategy. Look for areas where there is a gap in the market or where you can offer a unique perspective. Think about your passions, interests, and areas where you have some knowledge. Combining your expertise with market demand can lead to a highly profitable niche. Reflect on what you enjoy doing and how it can be turned into valuable content. Use tools like Google Trends and keyword research tools to identify high-demand niches. These tools can provide insights into what people are searching for and how trends are evolving over time. This data is invaluable for making informed decisions. Step 2. Create high-quality content. Once you've identified a profitable niche, it's time to create content that provides real value to your audience. High-quality content is the key to attracting and retaining an audience. It should be informative, engaging, and well-researched. This could be in the form of blog posts, articles, videos, or even podcasts. Each format has its own strengths, so choose the one that best suits your skills and the preferences of your target audience. Focus on providing in-depth information, actionable advice, and engaging storytelling. The more value you provide, the more likely your audience will return for more. Step 3. Optimize for search engines or SEO. To ensure your content reaches its target audience, you need to optimize it for search engines. SEO is a critical component of your content strategy. It helps your content rank higher in search results, making it more visible to potential viewers or readers. This involves using relevant keywords in your content, optimizing your website or video titles and descriptions, and building backlinks to your content. Each of these elements plays a role in improving your search engine ranking. Step 4. Monetize your content. Once you start attracting a steady stream of traffic, it's time to monetize your content. There are various ways to do this, and the best approach depends on your niche and audience. Consider using a combination of advertising networks like Google AdSense, affiliate marketing programs, or selling your own products or services. Diversifying your income streams can help maximize your earnings and reduce risk. Step 5. Engage your audience. Building a loyal audience is crucial for long-term success. Engaged audiences are more likely to share your content, provide feedback, and support your monetization efforts. Engage with your viewers or readers by responding to comments, asking for feedback, and creating a sense of community around your content. This interaction not only builds loyalty, but also provides valuable insights into what your audience wants. Section 4. Real-world success stories, inspiration for your journey. Countless individuals have used this Google-powered method to achieve financial freedom. From different walks of life, people have harnessed the potential of the internet to create thriving businesses and achieve their dreams. Take for example, Name, a stay-at-home mom who started a blog about sustainable living. She began with a simple idea and a passion for eco-friendly living. Through consistent content creation and strategic SEO, she grew her website to over 100,000 monthly visitors, and now generates a six-figure income through a combination of advertising, affiliate marketing, and her own line of eco-friendly products. Her journey is a testament to the power of dedication and smart online strategies. Another inspiring story is that of Name, a college student who turned his passion for gaming into a thriving YouTube channel. He started by sharing his gaming experiences and tips with a small audience. By creating entertaining and informative videos, he amassed millions of subscribers, and now earns a substantial income through sponsorships, merchandise sales, and ad revenue. His success shows how a hobby can be transformed into a lucrative career with the right approach. These stories demonstrate that with hard work, dedication, and the right strategies, anyone can achieve financial success by leveraging the power of Google. Whether you're a stay-at-home parent, a student, or anyone with a dream, the opportunities are endless. Section 5. The power of faceless videos. Amplify your impact. Creating videos is one of the most effective ways to engage your audience and maximize your earning potential. And here's the best part. You don't even need to show your face. Faceless videos offer several benefits. Reduced pressure. No need to worry about your appearance, camera presence, or public speaking skills. Just focus on delivering valuable content. Increased scalability. You can create more videos in less time as you don't need to worry about filming yourself. Enhance creativity. Explore different video styles such as animations, screen recordings, and stock footage to create engaging and informative content. Remember, the key to successful faceless videos is to maintain a high level of quality in terms of content, audio, and editing. Section 6. Pro tips for maximizing your earnings. Focus on a specific niche. Trying to target everyone will only dilute your message. Identify a specific audience and tailor your content to their needs and interests. Create high-quality, engaging content. Your content should be informative, engaging, and visually appealing. Use high-quality images, videos, and graphics to enhance your message. Be consistent. Consistency is key to building a loyal audience. Publish new content regularly and stick to a schedule. Promote your content. Don't just rely on Google to bring you traffic. Promote your content on social media, forums, and other relevant platforms. Track your results and adjust accordingly. Use analytics tools to track your website or video performance. Identify what's working and what's not, and adjust your strategies accordingly. Section 7. Embrace the transformation. Start your $900/day journey today. The opportunity to earn $900 a day with Google is real and within your reach. It requires effort, dedication, and a willingness to learn and adapt, but the rewards are well worth it. Imagine the freedom and flexibility that comes with financial security. You could finally pursue your passions, spend more time with loved ones, or simply enjoy life on your own terms. Don't let this opportunity pass you by. Take that first step today and embark on your journey to financial freedom.